Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficial and the most merciful. My name is Nabeel Ali.
And my name is Mohammad Asadullah, and we are the partner for our final year project Problem Update. First of all, we are very thankful to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala that He let us complete our project with His blessings. Secondly, we are thankful to our FIP advisor Sir Haseeb Malik for their generous guidelines and continuous efforts that in making this project a success. Next, we would like to thanks to our all teachers and faculty staff that made us capable enough that we can create such projects.
Our city routes condition is getting worse and people are having many issues in their day-to-day travel. This damage caused a lot of troubles for people and caused heavy expense on vehicle maintenance. Our application problem update is the locality-based social platform that encourages people to identify issues in their locality and any problem nearby. So other people who use this way will be notified and can take alternative routes which will also be indicated by our application. Now we would like to demonstrate some features of our application and how it works to accomplish its goal.
This is our home screen. It has login and sign up option. We will start with sign up process. The sign up process is pretty straightforward and simple. You must have an active email address for sign up at problem update. We start by putting our full name and email. Here we will put our email. Regards 1 2 3 and 3. Next we will provide our contact number. Then we will provide our date of birth. Then we will provide our password for our account. Our password should be more than or equal to 8 characters, and it must include some number and some alphabets. Then we will upload our profile pictures. We will upload some pictures like this. This can be uploaded. This picture can be uploaded, and we will proceed. And then we will enter our OTP sent to our email address that we provided earlier. We are waiting for our OTP, and here it comes. Our OTP is 15035. 15035. Oh my god, 035, and submit. Then we will provide our home location and job location. We will start by providing our home location. We will click on home location button, and our application will point to our current location, and we can select this location if this is our current location, this is our home location, or we can search for any location. Like I will search for my house. and and our application will move to our site location, and we will set our location. Then we will set our work location or job location. We can set here our home location if we don't work on any, are not working right now, or this doesn't apply to us. Then we can search our home location again. And we will set location. Then we will proceed, and we will be signed up. Now we will log in. For login we have to provide our email address that we registered for and our password. We will make sure that our password entered is correct, then we will log in, and this is our home fragment screen.
Now this is a home fragment screen for all users. A user can see all issues, has some options associated with it. Like a user can also user can see issue on map, issue location on map. Here are some options: view status, view on map, report, funds. This is the option of view on map where user can see the location of the issue. User can also go to back and report this issue if he would suggest that it is incorrect, or then this report will be directly sent to admin portal. I think that I would like to issue not present, and then this report is submitted to admin. User can also contribute this issue by clicking on funds button. He can contribute for issue. Now for contribution we have four options. Either he can use Easy Paisa or Just Cash or IBFT or us in our respective account, or he can contribute using a credit card like Easy Paisa information, bank information, etc. Then back to go for issues, and here are view status option also included. Just like they show zero collected from zero, it shows that the zero amount is collected from the total estimated amount. The estimated amount is not estimated because it is not verified yet. Whenever it is verified by volunteer or any user, then the cost estimated should be updated from database. Here is also another option of top contributor. If anyone contributes in this issue, his profile is this will be shown up. Top paying contributors means the user who has paid the most amount for this issue. This will encourage user to pay the highest amount and be highlighted.
User can post any root related issue from the given options. We will start by first selecting an image for the issue. We will start by first clicking on the post issue button on our home screen. Then we will select an image for our issue. We will upload any image for our issue, like this is a open manhole image. Then we will select the type of our issue. We will select from the best option that describes our issue, like this is a manhole. Then we will select manhole. But before proceeding to post this issue, I will like to show you something. Like if we upload a wrong image, that is not an issue. Like if we upload this image, this is not our issue image, this is a emoji image, and then our application will not let us proceed. This feature is called AI-based post moderator. We have implemented an AI-based post moderator in our application. Means if anyone tries to upload an image other than any issue, like image of himself or any emoji image like this, then our application will not let him proceed and post the issue. Like if we upload this image and as we can see that this is not an issue image, then our application shows this message: wrong image. The image you are trying to post does not relate to. Okay, now we will go back and upload the correct image.
Then user will select the best option. First of all, user will select the issue. Then I would like to suggest that this is pothole. Then go to next, and user will suggest the best option for describing the issue, like road size, traffic condition, some specific issues about some specific information about the issue, like this is partially covered with water. Then go to next. Then this pothole is on the 50 lane road, 2 lane 50 feet road. Then this issue is on light traffic. The road is going to be light traffic. Then go to next, where the issue is on which track, slow track, fast track or middle track. I would like to that this is the slow track, then go to next and set the location of where the issue is, and this is the issue near Regent Plaza, and I will mark this and then set location. And this is a simple way for our issue is posted, and you can see that our we have got a notification about this issue, a pothole partially covered with water, and this is our issue posted by me.
Will also estimate the cost of all the potholes posted by looking at the images of photos. For this, we have implemented a convolutional neural network using class library of Python, which uses our data set of potholes of different sizes, train on different sizes data set images, and predict the cost of potholes by looking at the image and predicting their sizes. Now user cannot do funding for all issues. Only those issues which have been verified and their cost has been estimated will be open for funding. This screen also shows all issues open for funding with some options which have been previously demonstrated, like view an issue, contribute on an issue, or view status of an issue. If we click status of an issue, it shows the amount which have been collected from the estimated cost. Like this issue has estimated cost of 3500 and 1000 from this amount means 3500 has been collected. The top contributor for this issue means the highest paying user of this issue, means Nabeel Khan has paid the highest amount for this issue. The working for this issue has not been started yet, and this issue is obviously not resolved yet.
Notification tab. This tab shows all the notifications which have previously sent to all users and notifications by volunteers sent to all users. Then another screen is of location screen known as map screen. This screen shows that user can see direction from one location to another. Our application will show best possible direction, avoiding all red flag issues. We start by putting start location, then we can search. First of all, we can select this and then start location from Rashid Minhas Road. This is our starting location. Then I put down to destination, and this is Ashrafi General Store. Ashrafi General Store, Azizabad. Then click on get direction. This map also shows all issues with their flag color and their type, like potholes, manholes, etc. As you can see that there is no issue in this route. This is the direction from starting to ending. This is our destination and this is our start location. And these are the issues which are posted, like debris full blockage and rainwater no blockage. This is a porthole partially blockage, and this route is off without any blockage.
We have also implemented ad posting functionality, like users can post an ad for an amount so that their business can get exposure in front of our users, and we can use this money to work better on resolving our issues. To post an advertisement, we will go to setting tabs, and we will tap on my ads, and then we will tap on create new ad. Then we will enter our business URL or our website address. We can enter our website address khayalhai.com, which is our website for our business. There's some mistakes.com. Then we will upload an image to represent our advertisement. We can upload any image or any banner type. We don't currently have any banner here. We can upload this image as a sample banner. Then we will upload our budget for this advertisement. We will upload. We want to run this advertisement for $2,000. Let's say we want to run for this advertisement for $2,000. Then we will click on submit. Then we will write our advertisement title like ख्याल है. This is our business name. E-commerce no session here. E-commerce store. Then we will write some text, some sample text for our advertisement. Text for our advertisement. And then we will preview our ad. Our ad will look like this to user. Then we will click on submit ad. Then we will select the payment method for this ad. We can select the previously demonstrated payment method, like we can easy paisa and easy paisa payment, or transfer to bank account. Like the credentials are given there, or we can yes cash here, or we can use credit card. We will have to. Then our ad has been posted. Then our ad will be sent to admin for approval, and once the admin will approve our advertisement, then it will be started showing in between the issues.
So this is our volunteer panel. Our volunteer is the person who does working to resolve the issues, provided the funds collected from the users. We have created a portal for the volunteers for an overview of all issues and functionalities, like reporting an issue, view fundings for an issue, view work specifically assigned by admin, contact to admin, send a broadcast message to all users, as well as verify an issue and update the status of the issue. Let's have a look at each of these functionalities one by one. Here volunteer can provide his username, and here is the password. Yes. Then go for login. And this is the complete dashboard for the volunteer. Here volunteer can see all the issues like this, and can see the fund status of each issue like this. That no funds yet means no funds yet means that user haven't any fund yet for this issue. Volunteer can report this issue by clicking this button. Not present. Whatever volunteer want to send this report, and this report sent to admin successfully. And also volunteer can verify the status of this issue. As you can see that the status of this issue is verified. Volunteer can verify the issue of volunteer can verify the issue by physically go for volunteer can verify the issue uh, by physically go in this area, and then unverified, like this review button, and then go back. Volunteer also can see all the funds information from the user. As you can see that user ID 5019 is funded $3,000 amount in distribution in the porthole near covered in water in the location now a private road on this date. Here is the all funds data, and here is the working of all issues where the volunteer has updated the working status. Here are the not working status, working status, resolved status, and conflict status. Like user can update this issue. Like volunteer can update this issue that open manhole is in working status, and portal is not covered is conflict. It has some report also, and as you can see that this issue is resolved. Is resolved, it returns one, and the working status is also resolved. It means that this issue has been resolved. You can also see the settings tab where volunteer have the credentials of change username, change password, contact to admin, where user can provide his old password and then enter his new username. For the change password, user can provide his old password, then enter new password, and then enter the new password for his confirmation. Then a volunteer can also contact to admin. As you can see that hi from the admin is the message sent by admin, and hi admin from volunteer. As you can see that I have sent this message. Hi admin from volunteer is this. Hi admin from volunteer. This message is sent by me 6042 ID Nabeel volunteer. And here is another option of send notification where volunteer can send all the users of notification like issue resolved. Volunteer can write this instruction if all issue has been resolved. So when this send to notification, this notification has been sent, and as you can see that, as you can also listen the ringtone of this notification sent on mobile. This is the working of our volunteer panel. Thank you.
This is our admin panel. Admin is the person who looks after both users and volunteers. Now we will sign into the admin panel. Admin can view all users in the user tab and like this, and can block or unblock a user if he or she is posting fake issues or for any other user, any other reason the admin finds incorrect behavior. Like we can change this status, and this user has been blocked. Now, admin can view all volunteers. There are two volunteers currently in our application. Admin can add a new volunteer by providing his name, email, contact number, CNAC number, and a password for vendor login. And if when we log in a new volunteer, let's say we can add a new for first, we will take these details from volunteers. We will input it in our system. Then, when an account will be created, we will send email and password to volunteer, which he can change later in his portal. Now, volunteer has been added successfully. Now, an admin can also see all issues. Like you can see all issues. All issues options are encapsulated in this button. Like the image for this issue is shown here. Issue statement is shown here. Issue statement, let's see. And amount as funds means that if a user has funded generally in our application, we can use his funding and funds to any specific issue. Okay, then we can also delete this issue. If you will delete this issue cannot be deleted because it has started receiving funds. Yes, this issue has started receiving funds, then it cannot be deleted. If a issue has not started receiving funds, then it can be deleted. They can see all the reports submitted by volunteers as well as users. Like this report has been submitted previously by users, and there are the volunteers report. As you can see, you have seen in our volunteer panel demonstration that we had submitted a report to admin and it is successfully. Now we can see all the advertisements that are submitted for approval, and we can approve by using options, and we can change the status of the advertisement. We can see, admin will go to the link and see the link itself that it is appropriate and for our users, and the text and the title is correct, and it can update the status to approve or rejected or pending. what status is pending, and it can also reject the admin can also reject the ad if he find it inappropriate for users and can send a message to the user that this ad is inappropriate for our users for this decision and that reason. If a volunteer approves an ad, he will write number of days to run this ad. Means this ad will be run for 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, or whatever number of days as per the amount the user has submitted for this advertisement. Now, funds. The user can advertisement can see all the funds that has been given to all the issues, and the user can see all the issues that has been resolved. In the setting tabs, there are many options available to admin. Admin can chat to all the volunteers. All the chat with all the volunteers and between the admin will be shown here. Like if we write a message here, uh, and it will be broadcasted to all the volunteers in our application in the same manner. Now the admin can change. Admin can change his username, his phone number, his password, his email address, and also update the payment method credentials which are shown in our user plan. Like he can update the Easy Paisa number or JSK number or bank account number. So these are the options available for volunteer admin, and this is the admin dashboard. It shows total volunteer, total issue. It shows the overview of all the things in the form of numbers, and it shows the current date and time. Here is the logout button, and here is the refresh button. It refreshes the admin panel with the new and updated data, and here is the logout button, and here is the close button. If the admin wants to exit the application, then he can exit this. So this is the overall admin panel. Thank you for panel. Allah Hafiz.